In this video, you will see how to draw triangle in Word document. You can draw isosceles triangle or a right angle triangle like this. First, click on the Insert tab and you will see the option Shapes. Under the Basic Shapes, you will see two triangles, isosceles triangle and right angle triangle. Select what you want, press Shift on your keyboard and draw a triangle. Similarly, we will also insert right angle triangle. Now to remove the blue color from this triangle, click on the triangle, right click and go to the format shape. Click on fill option. Instead of solid fill, select no fill to remove the color. However, notice that the borders are of blue color, and to make them black, click on the triangle. This time click on line. Under the color, select the color black. And if you think these lines are very thin, then you can increase the thickness by entering the width, for example 3 points. Similarly, we will remove the color from right angle triangle, change its border color to black and increase the thickness. If you want to add text inside the triangle, then click on the triangle, then right click and click on add text, and now you can type whatever you want. If you want to resize, press shift on your keyboard, then stretch the shape, so the aspect ratio will not change. Similarly, you can also stretch right angle triangle. If you want to rotate the shape, then click here. You will see this curve arrow. Click and hold, rotate in any direction you want. Now check out this video that will show you how to draw angles in triangle. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to learn more tips and tricks quickly like this. Thank you.